Hey there everyone. If your Mac keep on listening to you like this and you think that this is because of voice typing and you might have pressed twice control and it is now going out of control and I cannot stop it, then this is not the reason why this is happening. Let me show you. For that, let's click here on this Apple logo and now I'm gonna go here in system setting and let's look for keyboard. Now here you can see the shortcut of enabling and disabling voice typing remains same, which is pressing twice control key. And in this particular case, I even have not pressed it. But despite that, it's kept typing. So this is not the reason actually. If you see closely here in this explanation sign, it says that dictation is not available while voice control is enabled. So this is the culprit, guys, not the dictation function. And if you see here on the top, you're gonna see this new icon that came in recently, and if you tap on it, you can see it says voice control and it is listening to you. So this is the problem. Let's first of all click on stop listening, and as soon as you do, you will realize that the voice typing is stopped now. So if this is happening with you, like your system kept on typing, then look out for this particular setting. Now in order to make this icon disappear from here, you can click again on Apple logo and then go to system setting and then look for accessibility. Now here you're gonna see the option named as voice control. Let's tap on it and let's turn this thing off. And that's how you stop this continuous listening mode from Apple. I hope guys you also figured it out how we can stop this. Please do subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such tips and tricks related to your Mac, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.